Take out the machine and all its fittings. The machine is equipped with 2 backup fuses which can replace a broken fuse. If the fuse is damaged, slowly level the place and install it with a screwdriver. Remove it and substitute it with the spare. Filter installation. For sealed small rubber rims inside the filter's pins. If you unscrew the filter, you can find 2 large rubber rims inside the joint of the bolt body. If they are damaged, you can replace them with backup ones. Attention! You must insert the filter in the right direction. Avoid inserting it incorrectly or improperly. If you don't insert it fully, it may cause zero vacuum or air leakage. Install holders. When unscrewing the air inlet, you can find a white rubber ring inside the joint. If the rubber ring is damaged or not mounted, it may cause zero suction. Therefore, you have to check and replace it regularly. Filter cotton can be seen inside when you unscrew the air inlet. Replace it weekly with large cotton. Install the connecting wire for RF suction body. Mount the connecting wire for Cav80k. Assemble the connecting wire for body RF. Fix the connecting wire for bio. Three rubber hoses, a straight one, a small Y-shaped one, and a large Y-shaped one. Mount one of them. The straight one is used with the metal grease cup. The small Y-shaped one is matched with the vacuum cup for breast enlargement, and the large Y-shaped one is operated with the vacuum cup. Replace it per the need. Put the installed handpieces in the holders successfully. Install the power cord. Press the power switch after all the parts are in place. Then a function interface will show up. Click an icon on the interface to switch to another handpiece. Icon for selecting Cavi80k. Parameter setting. Operating time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is suggested. Energy level range is 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Mode selection M1 continuous working. which shows nose with excess fat accumulation or thick fat. M2 discontinuous working, which serves those who want to reduce weight or localized fat. M1 is preferred. Caution: all client cannot wear any metal objects or jewelry during treatment. Those with metal implements are prohibited from using the machine. Do not use the device aiming at the heart and parts with skin items. You must apply ultrasonic gel even to a treated part before an operation. Press star. Press pause. Icon for selecting RF suction body. Parameter setting. Advise the waiting time 15 to 20 minutes. Suggest the energy level 3 to 7. Recommended mode for RF NOR. When collecting star is red light will be on and the temperature of RF will reach the setting value directly. Pro. When collecting star, the red light will flare when it touches the skin and the temperature of RF will reach the setting value slowly. Suction and release time adjustment. Suction time range is 0 to 9. 1 to 9 is advised. Release time range is 0 to 9. 0 to 8 is suggested. Attention! The suction time should be longer than the release time. It's constant suction when the release time is set to 0. You must apply essential oil even to treat the part before treatment. Avoid using viscous skincare products like cream, otherwise it may clog a handpiece. You can find a knob for suction setting on the machine. Rotate to the left to decrease suction and to the right to increase it. Readjust it per individual tolerance during treatment. Press star. Press pause. Icon for selecting body RF. Parameter setting. Advise the operating time 15 to 20 minutes. Suggest the energy level 3 to 7. Recommended mode NOR. You must apply radio frequency correct even to treat the part before treatment. Press star. Press pause. Icon for selecting bio. Parameter setting. Advise the operating time 10 to 15 minutes. Suggest the energy level 3 to 7. Recommended mode M1. M1 continuous working mode, which shows nose with dry, hydropenic, coarse or dual skin. M2 discontinuous working mode, which serves nose with sensitive skin or first-time users. You must apply ESEMs or gel even to a treated part before operation. Press star. Press pause. Icon for selecting vacuum. Test whether the machine has suction. Select M1. Rotate the knob for suction setting to the rightmost. And place your fingers on the air inlet. If your fingers is sucked, it's working. There are 3 metal grease cups. The big size is used on the body, the middle size is for arms and legs. The small size can be operated on small areas such as the face and the neck. Replace filter cotton for the metal grease cup. Unscrew the handpiece, put the cotton in, and screw the handpiece. Metal grease cup. Connect one end of the straight rubber hose to the air inlet in the back of the machine, and the other end to the jack of the metal grease cup. Parameter setting. Suggested operating time is 15 to 20 minutes. Mode selection for vacuum. M1 regular suction, which serves those with heavy dumplings or clogged channels and collaterals, or who want to raise transitory picture and detox. M2 short interval between suction and release, which suits those who want to slightly raise transitory picture and detox with massage. M3 long interval between suction and release, which suits those who want to slightly raise transitory picture and detox with massage. M4 longer interval between suction and release, which shows those who want to detox with massage and speed up circulation. M5 the shortest interval between suction and release, which shows those who want to relax with massage. Select the mode per personal need. M2 is advised for first-time user. Adjust the suction per individual tolerance. Do not set it too strong for first-time use. Apply massage cream or essential oil evenly to a treated part. Press start. Press pause. Vacuum cup. Insert one end of the large Y-shaped rubber hose to the air inlet, and the Y-shaped ends to 2 vacuum cups. Nine pairs of vacuum cups. 3 pairs for the body, 3 pairs for the face, 2 pairs for cleansing, and 1 pair for private care. Choose the cups per skin condition and the size of the treated part. Parameter setting. Advised operating time is 15 to 20 minutes. Select the mode per personal need. M2 is advised for first-time user. Adjust the suction per individual tolerance. Do not set too strong for first-time use. You should apply essential oil to a treated part even before treatment. 2 vacuum cups should touch the skin completely and simultaneously during an operation. If not, they can absorb the skin. Press start. Press pause. If you only use one vacuum cup, you need to fasten one of the Y-shaped ends to avoid air leakage. Fix cupping with vacuum cups. Parameter setting. Advised operating time 5 to 10 minutes. Suction mode M1. Suction can be adjusted per individual tolerance. Press start. Press pause. Vacuum cup for breast enlargement. Insert one end of the small Y-shaped rubber hose to the air inlet, and the Y-shaped end to 2 vacuum cups. There are 3 pairs of vacuum cups for breast enlargement. Choose it per the size of breasts. 2 vacuum cups should touch your breast fully and simultaneously, otherwise they cannot touch the surface. Turn off the equipment, unplug the power cord, and disinfect the used handpieces for future use.